We are going furniture shopping today. There she is. There she is. We're going to go look at furniture. Can't buy it today because we don't have an address yet, but we can look. We are still in the process of shopping, so we'll have to come back later with totals and do a walkthrough and show you what we actually bought. But the shopping has been lots and lots of fun. I enjoy it. She has not enjoyed it at all, and she stayed home for a lot of it. Today's adventure is starting at Unitop. It's kind of a cheap store. It's one of the made in China. Quite honestly, most of it's junk, but it's cheap. She keeps wanting one of these vanity tables. I keep telling her to get one, and she continues to not get them. These are about 4,000 pesos, like $80. You want one, get one, and she just won't. Unitop's not really a great store, but everything I bought 8 years ago is still lasting. I thought it would last 2 or 3 years. This table, it's 50 inches, not marble, I don't know what it is. It's got a Lazy Susan, 6 chairs, 20,000 pesos, about 400. The couches are all the same price. They're like 9,000. It's a couch with 2 chairs, lots of designs. I'll let her pick the ones she wants. I'm running around with my tape measure like a crazy man, just measuring everything, because I've got to know what's going to fit, because the condo is really small. This large cabinet's 22,000. Couch is 9,000. Small table is 2,000. Not sure what the big one is. And the music here is crazy loud, so I have to turn all the sound off. These cheap cabinets are like 2,500, 3,000, so like $50, $45, $50. This clothes rack is marked 780. This one's not marked. It's really flimsy. So 780, you're looking at like, under $20 to get a clothes rack. The bars all slide out and lock in place. The rack folds up a couple different ways. So we're not going to be doing a lot of laundry, but we're going to need a clothes rack for some. So it looks like a cheap one. Good enough. This cabinet I want to put on top of the kitchen counter. I'll take the bottom shelf off, and it's like 2,500 something. It's like $50. I'm considering getting 2 of them, but I don't know if they'll fit. Just came out of Unitop. I was wandering around measuring everything, videoing all their furniture, hitting everything with my measuring tape. Not a single person asked to help me. I think they were all scared. They didn't want nosebleed. And who is this crazy man with a tape measure and a video camera anyway? So they all just looked at me and left me alone, which is okay. Continuing the shopping, we're at 1688. It's another China store, much better quality. Prices are about the same. Here, all of these vanities are still right around 5,000. Look like much better quality, and she still probably won't buy one. These kitchen cabinets, or these cabinets I want to use in the kitchen, we'll talk about later. There's a story behind them. The mirrors she's always wanted, we will get one. Unfortunately, there's no gas allowed. It has to be electric. So the singles are like 3,000, 4,000, doubles are 5,000 to 7. She really wanted one of these cookers until she realized that pan doesn't come out. There's only one temperature switch, and the whole thing weighs a ton. It will be hard to wash. Might buy a microwave? Probably not. These cabinets were a possibility, and I don't know how much they were because I didn't pay attention. These are better cabinets. They're about 4,000, I think. So about $80, which is really high. But they're plastic, which here keeps the smells down, so they're better. I keep telling Melanie we should get one of these if we're going to be in the city. She does not approve. Anyway, the mall's pretty much back to normal. Everyone's wearing masks, but They're out shopping. It's fairly crowded. They've let kids in again. That's new. They haven't let kids in here since like March. Because that store is out of the round table that she wants, she is looking at some of these rectangular ones. These are like $9,000, so about $200. That round one was $400. I know she wants the round table, so I'm encouraging her to wait and get the one she wants. Not only is this chicken really juicy and fresh, it is crazy freaking hot. I always complain about room temperature food. Not today. Sweet and sour pork, shumai, wonton soup. The signs at American Legacy are down, so it looks like they are gone as well. A lot of stuff's closed. I've noticed a lot of the clothing stores are gone. A lot of the uke-ukes, a lot of the restaurants. Oh, they got one sign still. I don't know. Maybe they're doing takeout only and the rest is something else. I don't know what's going on. We just got in. It was wrapped in cardboard. Got this. The idea was to get 2 of those. Bring them out here. If I can, let me step back. The idea was to have 2 of them, like right where that pantry is, have one facing out this way and then the other one facing that way, and make it like a pass-through bar area, and then put that cabinet at the end. What that was going to make a little U-shaped kitchen, but it really would block up the flow of the room, so we decided against that. On paper it actually looked okay, but once we got here, this couch would have to go way by the door and stuff, so we looked at it and was like, yeah, on paper, sure. So we decided to buy just one instead of 2 of them. We bought one. She wants to go ahead and put it in front of this cabinet, because it's a cabinet she said we won't use, and make it so it's like a little entryway walking in. You got this little hallway. This table is going to move. That was a temporary. So we'll see. We'll play with it. It's got lots of shelves. These are adjustable. These are not. Nice drawer, and a whole nother big area. These shelves are adjustable. So 12 inches wide, so it's kind of narrow for a kitchen counter, but you know, not bad. But then when you walk in, you'll see the back of it looking like that. That won't bother me. Now we can unpack the kitchen, because it's kind of a mess. This was on Shopee for like $5. It actually holds a lot of pans, and it's sturdier than I thought it would be. It just goes under the cabinet. That we did buy that one cabinet. There's not room for a second, and it's all a mess right now. Everything's getting moved daily because we don't know where anything is going to go. So as we unpack, it rearranges a lot. Enjoy your day in paradise.